Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a course on YouTube using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube, and some videos that we will be adding to the course. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to YouTube Studio. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now we want to go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to Content. And where we have Courses, click on this. And then we can already see that we have courses available within our channel. So we want to now go to the top right corner, create new course. This will be a test as part of this tutorial. So create a new course. A course is a type of playlist. Create your courses, then add existing content or upload new content to the course. So let's add the title, which will be Test Course Test. Description, copy paste, visibility, public, add videos. Let's now select a couple of videos from our video catalog. We can also search for videos if we wish to. Click on done. Let's now create. Course playlist has now been created. Let's now go back. And there we have it. We can click on details, look at the videos, analytics, comments, watch on YouTube options. We can then get a shareable link, edit on YouTube, set as a playlist or delete. Let's now go to view channel on YouTube. Now let's go to courses, and here we have that full course that was created within YouTube Studio. So let's now go back one, quit Safari. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.